Or did you want to like...
If you want, well, I'm going to curl some of yours too.
Okay.
And so we'll do that.
You can get the back because I can't ever
Okay. All right, so we're going to, you have got the thickest hair. Okay, so first I'm going to section it off into the bottom section. I think I'll try to do it in 3 sections, but your hair's so thick. Your hair's almost to your waist.
I know.
Looks beautiful. Oops. cord fell down. So just turning it like that. This is a really, really tiny curling iron because her hair doesn't tend to hold curl as much, does it?
No, it does not.
Okay, so we're going to use a small curling iron so she'll get some good curls. How tiny and thin it is. Okay. That's a spirally, isn't it? But the thing about, we can over curl your hair a little bit because
oh yes, please do.
She's got really coarse hair and thick hair.
Yeah.
So it has a tendency to, because it's heavy, to want to fall, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we like to make sure that we kind of over curl it a little bit because it's long too, so that adds extra weight to it. Now, this is the sister's hair of the other one. And she's got real thick hair too. But she's got more curl in her hair.
Yeah. Do we look like twins, guys? Comment down below, guys. Which one's like and subscribe. Which one's prettier?
Is your hair different from your sister's? Do you feel like different texture or anything?
Yeah, because mine's curly.
Yeah.
And hers is just like straight.
Where do you think you got your curly hair?
From you.
Yeah. Where do you think you got your height? From me?
From you. Yeah.
I like it.
I have bobby pins ready to hand to you.
Alrighty.
The first one, after you split it into the 2 sections.
Yeah, and then I twist it away from the face, remember?
First one is away from the face, second one is toward the face.
Well, one of them's clockwise. No, they're both away from the face, but you're just doing it clockwise on one side and counterclockwise on the other. Or clockwise on this side and counterclockwise. They're both going away from the face.